ang pretty boy ng Las Piñas.
It's great to meet you, Mio.
You are the second big placer, Tommy!
Mas makikilala niyo pa. Makakaranas ng pagsubok sa murang kaisipan.
Tommy, is that all you got? Get up! Shut up!
I don't want losers on my team.
You are such a disappointment. Can't quit wrestling. Doon ka na nga na magaling. Doon ka maaalis. Hanggang sa ulo mo. Wala kang pinapakinggan eh. Wala kang pinapakinggan.
If you love me, you wouldn't hit me.
Yeah.
If you really love me, you would be there for me.
Pero pinilit na lumaya para sa pangarap.
I can't find my friend's house.
So you snitch, huh? You better run, snitch!
Gagawin na model search para sa mga film.
They're actually thinking of modeling.
Hindi porket half American ka, pwede ka namang i-model.
Sabi Tommy S. Guerra, MMK, Sabado, 8:15 p.m.